John Questo is a person. He always answers questions and wonders what's going on. John Questo is a person. He has a lot of friends. John Questo is a person. He is busy all day. John Questo. John Questo. John Questo. John Questo. Sound in a tunnel. I'm Bobby. What's this? This is strange. There's a tunnel right over there. John Questo, come see this. What is it? Oh! I think we should go in the tunnel. There's some noise I have heard of last night, and we have to go in and see what it is. Come on. Wow. Wow. This is the strangest cave and tunnel I've ever seen. Oh dear, and I hear our echoes. What's this? Whoa! That's just a bat. It's getting darker. Uh-oh. Oh no! Bobby, where are you? I'm in the hole! There's a way to get out though! Okay then. Just be happy we know this cave. You mean I know the cave? Oh, right, John Questo. Why am I always getting confused? I don't know. I'm John Questo. I know how to get confused. You know what? This looks like a job for John Questo. So how should we find out what the noise is? This is the strangest noise ever. We could just keep going into the tunnel, but we don't have any flashlights. Well, I'm John Questo. I have all the stuff we need. With my magic. Flasho Batato. No, that's not the right one. Flasho Lido. Wait, I turned my powers off and they're back in the apartment. My bad. Let's go on and check it out. What's this? I think I know the noise. It's the end of the tunnel making the noise. The tunnel's evolving. No, it's not. The tunnel's making sounds. No, Bobby. This is confusing. I think I know what the noise is. It's a secret animal called the Batina. It's an animal in planet Surf. Cool. You know what? You and I are pretty good at being a team. Right, Bobby? Well, it's time for us to get out of the cave. That animal sure is friendly. You're right, Bobby. And we're finally out. Well, it's a good thing we're out now. Yep. I guess that noise was really strange. Let's go tell everyone about the noise.